Eating less for longevity is generally a combo of the following things, so, be active and do have some mental strength. Point 1. Do include anti-aging foods like sardines, they are rich in fatty acid and reduce heart illness. Point 2. Also include carrots, walnuts, coconuts to get healthy fat. Point 3. Foods with anthocyanin, like spinach, blueberries, sweet potatoes should be included. Point 4. Dark chocolates are important. Now add the upcoming factors also with these foods for better battery life for your body. Step 1. Fasting reduces Alzheimer's. Step 2. Consistent strength training. Step 3. Cold showers to boost immunity.